Okay, everyone, you never ever tamper with my fire alarms in my house for any reason. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. So, when you are in my house, you do not touch my fire alarms ever. You never ever do that. Unless I give you permission to do so, but if I don't, you leave them alone. Or else you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. And if you don't get arrested by the police, you will be permanently banned from my house. So, I am serious. You leave my alarms alone when you are in my house for any reason, or else you will face serious consequences. Goodbye.